Hi guys! So, welcome to another shopping haul. Mix ito of yesterday afternoon and today. So, let's start from yesterday. I went to the MoMA store, which is just a few steps away from our hotel. And sa building na to, MoMA sa ground floor and several floors of Uniqlo. Then the top 3 or 4 floors is dedicated to loft, which as you know, lahat ng anik-anik wasteland nandun. So ito, mga kung ano-anong bagay. Pero I think okay naman. So from loft, I saw there was a display of mga leather cleaning materials, which of course I need kasi some of my older bags may mold. So ito yung mga binili ko. Polishing cloth, then this special brush to brush in the moisturizer. This one naman is a brush for cleaning. So I took a picture then of the step-by-step how to clean your leather stuff like shoes, bags, what have you. Tapos ito, kasi consumable and tax-free, they had to wrap it up. So, this is a leather delicate cream. This is a stain remover. This is a mold remover. So, grabe. This one is, ano nga ba to? Kung ano na binili ko? Cream din. Ba't dalawa yung cream na binili ko? I don't know. So, isang naka-bottle, isang naka-pot. Good luck. And I got a lip balm for Caroline. What else? So, I got pasalubong for my sister. Step by step, how to paint. So, this is watercolor. Sa kanya, flowers. Tapos, I got this one naman for my brother. Food naman ang ituturo. Kasi my brother owns and operates Roster Bakery. Right now, one-man team siya. But soon, magkakaroon na siya ng chef. So, wala lang. Parang magaling din kasi mag-painting, mag-drawing, mag-painting si James, yung brother ko. So, I think he can like do mga product, ano niya, product looks. Meron mga cake din inside and bread. So, happy. So, parang pwede, di ba, ingredients. Like, if it's like a strawberry croissant or something, so he can paint the croissant, and he can paint the strawberry, mga ganun. Egg, butter. Saya lang. Ano pang binili ko dun? Love Snoopy. I love anything Snoopy. So, I got this sticker for my maleta. I like to cover my maleta with sticker. Easier to find. Ito pa. Cloth na naman, panglinis ng shoes and bags. This one naman is from MoMA. So, these are glass spoons. So, kaartehan lang kasi this was on display. And when I saw it, oh my god, sobrang cute. So, kailangan ko to. So, tingnan mo naman. Glass spoon. I bought 2 colors. Kasi, bumili rin ako ng serving bowl na 2 different colors din. Ito yung kamatch display. So, sino ba naman ako para questionin ang merchandiser nila, diba? So, I just copied the set that they have. So, I got blue and green, yellow and pink. Let me show you the bowls. It's called the snow bowl. So, dapat milk glass dessert bowl siya. But I'm not planning to use it as a dessert bowl. Hindi yun ako mahilig mag-dessert. I'm gonna use it to serve mga example, nuts, olives, yung mga konting ulam or whatever. Since dalawa lang naman kami ni Jovi, and pag nakikikain naman yung mga kapatid ko, mahinahan kumain. So, diba, may pedestal siyang effect. Ang cute. So, this one is parang amber. Yellow and amber. Sana mag-survive sa biyahe. So, topaz. It's called topaz. This one naman is mint green. So cute. Meron din kasi ako mga plates sa bahay. Green din ng theme. Pero ayoko naman ng everything green. Para namang Oh my naman sa green. Tapos, nabudol din ako here. This is called Hanauke vase by, it's made in Japan from Gifu and Kanagawa region. So, let's see. So, ang cute nito. I didn't get a neutral color. You just put one stem. So, this is removable. Tapos, ayan. Ayan na yung base. Wala lang. Ang ganda lang. Diba? Low lang siya. So, sa table, hindi ka parang, huy, diyan ka ba? Hindi. So, one stem lang. Tipid pa. So, now, how do I put it back? Again. Ayan. Okay. Kanya. Ayan. Kinaya ko pa siya isole. Okay. I hope it survives the plane ride. Kaya naman siguro. Ang problema is luggage stays. Ang mga resibo tax-free. I also got a sticker na naman for my luggage. You know, memories where we had lunch yesterday. So if you saw our vlog, we had lunch at Spring Valley Brewery. Local Japanese brewery. I'm thinking baka sa Kyoto din siya kasi literally you could see the vats of kung saan kinukure yung beer. So ayan, ano bang mga nagastos ko? Wala, wag na lang. Ang hassle lang sa loft is if you're doing tax-free, you have to go to a certain floor ng loft tapos separate pang ibibigay sa iyo yung cash kesa i-deduct na nila agad, 'di ba? Parang guys, mas simple. Mas simple. Yung buhay. Okay. Next. This is here. There's the place. So, this morning naman, I went to Takashimaya to get pasalubong. And I got this for my sister. If you're doing tax-free in Japan, they have to seal it up to make sure that you don't use it within Japan. So you have to bring it home, get it out of the country first bago mo siya magamit. Pero in my recent trips to Japan, nobody checks naman at the airport. Years ago, parang pre-pandemic, chine-check pa isa-isa yan eh, pipila ka pa. Ngayon, wala na. E di mas madali. Kaya lang, ayan. So I got her, she sent this to me actually. So, di niya pinapabili sa akin. Parang naisip ko, okay, better I get her something she likes than kung ano-anong anik-anik bibili ko. Tapos di naman niya type, niya magagamit. So, this is Dior, Rouge Dior Balm. Hydrating lip balm, universal lip balm. And I paired it with a lip maximizer. It's a lip gloss. Lip plumping gloss. And in the shade, hindi ko na maalala. Yung balm is Midnight Balm 001. And yun namang lip maximizer is shade 018 Intense Spice. So ito is brown. Parang yung Clinique Black Honey. So your lips but better. Ganun lang siya. Hindi out there. Kasi if you know my sister, ano siya? Very low key. Very ano lang. Ano ba yun? Basic girl. Ito naman is for me. So I think last December, my sister-in-law gave me a Clarins set for Christmas. Sobrang nagda-dry yung skin ko dito, tas always red. When I tried it, parang maliliit siya travel size. When I tried it, oh my God, ang ganda. Nakalma niya talaga yung skin ko. So, noong January, I bought a full-size bottle like this. Maubos na siya. So, September pa lang, maubos na siya. And that is quite shocking kasi I don't use skincare at all. As in, hindi ako nagsiskincare at all. You can ask my sister, kinukulit niya akong mag-wash siya. Wala akong pake. So, anyway. So, ang ganda. So, this is now gonna be my second bottle. Full-size bottle. Then, for my mom, I got her din sa Clarins this is called a Lip Perfector. So, para lang siyang lip balm na may hint of color. So, this is very light lang. It's in the shade number 17, Intense Maple. So, neutral, ano lang, hindi shocking. So, I hope she likes it. Ano pang binili ko kanina? Ano ba to? Ah, tester. Sa Dior, walang binigay na tester. Buti pa sa Clarins. Ayan, may mga tester. Try ko yan. And, okay. Ano pang binili namin? This one. So, we went down to the basement. As you know, in Japan, actually, even in Singapore, sa Hong Kong ba? Kumala sa Hong Kong. Wala yata sa Hong Kong. Yung mga sa baba ng department store, may food hall sa basement usually. So, super nice stores, mga aesthetic yung mga tinda, mga salad, cooked food. Pero madami din for pasalubong like pastries. Kasi in Japan, they super love these mga cake na may mga fruits on top, tarts, cookies, na mga butter cookies, mga masasarap na ewan. So, syempre, nagpabudol tayo. But this is actually for my brother. Kasi, like I said, he has Roaster Bakery. So, he started with mga croissants, laminated breads. Tapos, nag-introduce na siya ng cookie. So, para meron siyang inspiration sa mga next na cookie variants niya. Total, ako naman ang request kung ano ang dapat. Eto, nakita namin. I haven't seen this before. It's Marlboro cookie. So, daming flavors. Di ko na iisa-isahin kasi hindi ko naman maalala. Pero mga interesting flavors like, I think we got one na lemon, yung isa, ano nga ba? Chocolate cookie, pero soy flour. So, baka merong hint of taste or whatever siyang matay. So, we got 4 kinds. Kasi yung isang duplicate, para kay Jovi yun. Pero na-pack na rin. Kasi, if you apply it, like I said, na tax-free, hindi mo siya pwede consume kahit pagkain siya. Pero, expiration date pa naman ito is October 5. So, wala. Maubos na to by then. Pagdating namin, hopefully, maubos agad. Huwag nating i-stock sa bahay. Sayang, maluluma. Ah, ito pala. Ay, hindi. Akala ko they're gonna say kung anong flavor, pero hindi pala. So, sorry. Next. Ito pang laman ng Takashimaya. Ito pa ay isang na-seal na rin. I got kinako or soybean flour for my brother also. See, they sealed it again. So, I can't eat it here. Ang tax rebate naman yata nila is 10%. So, 500 yen to, nabawi ko 50 yen. And, before I forget, when I entered Takashimaya, buti na lang, hindi ako tamad today, I saw merong tourist card, tourist discount. So, I've applied for it and you get 5% off your purchases. Apart from the tax rebate. Kasi tax rebate, you have to spend at least 5,000 yen. But, if you have that tourist card thing na ang requirement lang is your passport, yeah, you get a additional 5% discount. So good. After that, anong binili namin? We went across the street to this other mall. Parang mga teki-teki siya. And my husband saw Anchor. So, yun naman ang obsession niya, Anchor. So, bumili lang siya nitong cord na ang feature yata nito is yung hindi siya rubber. Yung kumbaga hindi siya mababali and all that. Soft cord. USB-C. Is it cheaper here? I don't think so. I think it's just the same in the Philippines. Because when I asked him, he said, when I asked him about the mga charger and power bank, he's like, just order it online. But, you know, dami ring, at least you get to see it in this place, a store. And this is what I got. Earphones. Kasi nasira na yung AirPods na binigay sa akin ng sister ko. Ayaw na niya mag-charge. Like, it only lasts maybe 10 minutes. So, ito na lang. Kasi I wanted an over-ear headphone for the times na I'm in the car and I just wanna watch, I don't wanna bother anyone, or I'm in the plane. So, it's super rare times naman. Kaya I'm like, okay, I'll just go for the cheapest thing. And this is super cheap. I think 5,000 yen. And we just got the tax rebate or tax discount, tax-free discount. Kasi wala na siya sa Takashimaya department store. Like I said, it was across the street. Good deal, I think. Did I get the noise cancellation? I didn't. Kasi yung husband ko, ang difference nila, 1,600 yen. He's like, basta in-ear yan, noise cancellation na yan. Sige, hayaan mo na nga. 1,500, so I got the cheaper one. After that, we went to BAL department store, which is closer to our hotel, but a walk away from where we were. Entrance pa lang meron na nito. It's called Non-Fiction yung brand ng mga perfume. They have lotion, they have body wash, hand cream, yon. Soap, bar soap. Pero I got yung parang limited edition or seasonal scent nila, hindi to regular scent. So this is Simple Garden. Parang napaka-fresh lang niya. Freshness lang. So hindi siya heavy, light lang. Ewan ko lang kasi kung maubos ko, paano ko bibili? So ang scents niya is bergamot, lime, clary sage, and cedar wood. So when I was into these oils na lalagay mo sa diffuser, ito rin talaga yung mga scents na gusto ko. Kaya pala. So now I know. Thank you. This was, I think, 10,000 yen for 30 ml. So 4,000 pesos. Okay na din. Mabango naman. What else? Sige. Sorry dyan. Ito naman, while I was shopping, Joby went to Uniqlo. Katabi ng hotel namin. He said sobrang dami daw tinda. Pero hindi ko na i-haul yung gamit niya. Para may privacy naman siya. Eto, yan, last na haul. Ano to? Ito. So every time I go to the Disney store or kahit sa Disneyland, parati akong bumibili ng mga plates na merong matching na spoon and fork, tumbler, may straw, yung mga shake, cup. So yung mga anak ko meron na nito. So I just got my Jovy's nephew, si Archie, ng Toy Story mug. Wala lang, cute. Magto 2 years old na rin siya sa December, kay age siya ni Scout. So I think niinom naman na siya ng sa cup, hindi na kailangan ng naka-sippy cup. So here, salubong ko sa kanya yan. Kahit di niya naiintindihan, ako naman ang naaliw. Ako yung bumili, ako yung natuwa. Diba? Sulit. At, okay. This is for Caroline naman. So, I wanted to get her an Anna of Frozen na costume kasi wala pa siya nung cape. So, I called her up. Before I called her up, kasama ko si Jovi. So, kontrabida. Sabi niya, wag na. Sa Shopee ka na lang bumili. Kaya lang, wala. 5 to 6 years old lang yung size. Sometimes, Caroline, pwede na siya sa 7 to 8. Kuminsan ang sikip na rin ng 5 to 6. So, sayang kasi I think it's more than 6,000 yen yata or 10,000 yen yun. Not sure. Pero ang ganda ng quality kasi syempre original na Disney store. Sayang. But there was a whole shelf na puro mga ganito. Parang si Stacy ng Barbie, yung mga batang version ng Disney princess. So, I called her up. Then, I showed her everything. So, merong Little Mermaid, Cinderella, Tiana, Moana, lahat na. Meron. But she chose this, si Rapunzel. I couldn't hear her reason bakit ito napili niya. Kasi loud sa store. Pero, yan. So, cute lang. May bag. And, of course, si Leon. Can't forget Leon. Obsessed sa cars. Tada! It's like Hot Wheels na cars. So, sa taas, andyan si Lightning McQueen. Sa side na to, hindi ko kilala. Tapos, merong track na when you push it, the car goes around the track. Tapos, cute lang, may bag. Good luck naman kung gaano katagal to magagamit at hindi masisira. So, now, I don't have anything for Scout. Yet. We're gonna look. Okay, that's all for today. But we're going out later, so let's see ano pang mabibili ko sa store. Okay, bye guys.